Area charts are graphs that display quantitative data over a continuous time period. They fill the area beneath a line with color or shading, highlighting the magnitude of values. Similar to line charts, area charts show trends and the volume of data, making it easy to see changes at a glance. They can represent one or more data series, allowing for comparisons between different sets. To create an area chart, highlight the summary table data. Go to the Insert tab and click on Recommended Charts, then select All Charts. Navigate to the area chart type and click on it. As you can see, there are other types of area charts. Click on them if you know exactly which chart you want to use. However, for this overview tutorial, let's just use this simple one. When you're done, click OK at the bottom. Area charts are useful for visualizing trends over time, clearly showing the magnitude of values and changes in volume. They help analysts identify patterns and easily see increases or decreases in data. With multiple data series, area charts enable comparisons, while stacked area charts highlight individual contributions. Overall, area charts enhance understanding of complex datasets. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. If you want to dive deeper and watch the full lesson on Excel charts and graphs, I've provided the link in the video description below. Additionally, if you'd like to stay updated with more tips and tutorials, feel free to join my WhatsApp channel by clicking the link in the channel description. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you for watching.